There's a lot of old paradigms that exist that probably many people today got from their mother or their father or maybe their grandparent, that you don't want to work in manufacturing. It's a dirty environment, or there's like, you go in, there's like little fires in the corners where you're making something. That's absolutely not manufacturing today. And quite honestly, it's not been manufacturing for the last 40 plus years. Manufacturing has continued to grow and develop and become a clean working environment, whether you're making automotive parts like my company, or if you're making beverages or food or whatever. Cleanliness is really important in manufacturing to also ensure the quality of your products. There's a lot of careers available in manufacturing, and you're also going to find that typically manufacturing is one of the higher paying career choices, even at an entry level associate. If they have any interest in manufacturing, they should apply for manufacturing positions, because for an entry-level production associate, you don't need previous skill. Manufacturers are going to train you for that entry-level position. Then after that, you do your job very well, you make a quality product, you show up for work every day, you have a good attitude. These are all things that any individual can control themselves. If you control those things, then companies like mine are going to look to say, okay, well, we have this person, but we also have these other openings that right now they're not qualified for or skilled for, but we don't have anybody from the outside applying for them. So let's take this person, let's develop them into one of these higher paying level jobs and provide them the training, whether it's in-house at our company or if we have to send them to a local school or community college or something to get the training that they need. And we are doing that as a company. And if you look at our associates that have elevated up through the company over the years, they started out as entry-level production associates. There is opportunity here.